Hi, in this video I'm going to show you that how can you set up your Google Tag Manager on your Kartra platform or on your Kartra page. Okay, so you have to log in into your Kartra dashboard, then go the page section from there, then select your desired page that you want to connect with Google Tag Manager, then press the edit, then go the edit section from there, then it's loading, then we have to go the settings section from there, then the tracking code from there, then go the Google Tag Manager, then let's copy the Google Tag Manager ID. So I just copy it and paste it on the header section, and then copy the body tag, go the Kartra and paste it there, then do the save from there, apply. Then if I publish it from there, then it should work, but it will not work. Why? I will show you after some times. So I just open the website or the specific page, then go just check that Google Tag Manager is connected or not. So you can see there is no Google Tag Manager, because in Kartra we have to edit the Tag Manager code. So what we have to do, go the Kartra platform, and then we have to remove the script option from there. This script, starting script and the closing script, these two things we have to remove from the Tag Manager code. So just copy it and close it, then scroll down, then we have to close this script. Okay, that means the closing script, and the body tag will be same, because you can see there is no script, they already mentioned, right? Okay, then we have to apply. It's a very important part that we have to remove the script section from the Google Tag Manager code, then do the publish. It's taking time to update it, and in the meantime we can check. So I just refresh the page, still not okay, because it's still saving, it's taking time. Okay, close it and try to publish it again. So now it's done. Okay, so we remove the script section, the start script and the closing script. Okay, and then let's check that it's working or not. So refresh the page and you can see the Tag Manager is there. So I think you understand that how can we set up the Tag Manager on our Kartra page. Very important thing that we have to remove the start script and the closing script from the code. So thank you so much.